Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I strayed away from doing a celebrity inspired look. I know that I said my next couple of videos would be, and I've done 3 already, so I was like, might as well break it up with something else. So today I have created this green emerald fun look. So I have hazel eyes, and the reason that I love the color green is because it helps the green in my eyes pop. So I've never done green eyeshadow, but I was like, well, if I like wearing green, I might as well try it for makeup. And I have a lot of green in different palettes that I have, so I was like, might as well try. So that's why I'm filming this instead of a celebrity inspired look. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. Done. So like I said, I've been doing a lot of full face looks, so today's going to only be about the eyes. So I finished the rest of my face makeup, and I'm just going to be doing the eyes for you guys today. So we're starting off with a eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the Fix one. And then we're just going to allow that to set by putting some translucent powder on top of it, very lightly. And then to start off this look, like I usually do, I'm going to be picking up a transition color. So I'm taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking this color over here. So this is Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush and putting that in my crease. It's always really important to put the transition color on first, so that way you can blend all of your eyeshadow into that transition color, so nothing's super dark or just sticks out too much. And then from there we're going to go straight into the green color. I'm taking my Sephora Pro Editorial palette, and I'm taking this green color right over here. And I'm using a flat-ended brush because I'm just going to be patting it on my eyelid. I'm just going to be putting it all over the eye. So this is going to act as our base color, and then we'll put more, we'll be putting our darker green on top of it and everything. And then of course when you have that color set down, don't forget to take a fluffy brush and blend that into the transition color as best you can. And as you guys can see, I'm really just patting the color on, just because this pigment from the Sephora Pro palette, it's really tough picking up with a fluffy brush or any other starter brush, so I always take a flat-ended brush and just pat it on my eyelid. And then as you guys can see, I'm kind of bringing the orange or our transition color into the green, and vice versa. I'm bringing the green up and I'm bringing the transition color down. So everything blends in nicely. And then I'm going to go into my 2 favorite palettes currently. These are both the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. One is the Gemstone Obsessions, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I love it. It's this. It's so pretty. And then the other one is the Electric Obsessions, which I've been using a lot recently. So that's just a bunch of neon colors, and I love it. So we're going to start off with the Electric Obsessions, and I'm picking up this bluish green shade. This is more of a turquoise, but I feel on my skin tone with the green it'll show up more green than anything. So we're taking that with the same brush. I'm going to be putting this directly on the outside V. Just a little bit. And then taking that same color, we're going to be going on the inner corner. So when you're doing this kind of look, you want to think of your eye as 3 parts of it. So it's you break it up into 3 parts. So there's the inner corner, the middle, and the outer corner. So right now I'm putting this darker green on the inner corner and the outer corner, and keeping the middle the same lighter green that we used before. And I'm always going back in with my fluffy brush just to blend everything out. And then moving on to the Gemstones Obsession palette, I'm taking this kind of shimmery green over here, and I'm just taking this with my finger, and I'm going to be patting it on lightly right in the middle. So this is just providing a little bit of shimmer. I still want that lighter green to show through on the bottom, so I'm keeping it closer to my eyelashes. I think I want the ends, these like the end corners of my eye, to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go back in with the green color, the dark green color that we used from the Obsessions palette. So just over here, more like a turquoise color, but it's showing up as green. So, and I'm just gonna be putting that color like on top of the V that we originally made, and I'm gonna try and make it a little bit darker this time. For the bottom lash line, I'm taking the Gemstone Obsessions palette again, and I'm actually picking up this bronzy color on the bottom. And I'm going to start off with that, and then if I want to add green, I will. But I want to see how this looks first. And then before I move on to my lashes, I'm just going to be highlighting my inner corner. So I'm taking my Sephora Pro palette again, and I'm taking this like bronzy greenish like highlight color that's right over here. And I'm going to see how that looks because I haven't used this color yet, but I want to see what it's going to look like. So now I'm going to finish off with my eyelashes and my lipstick. For eyelashes today, I'm using my Velour Silk Lashes, and this is the fluff and edgy kind. And then for lips, I'm going in with one of my Kylie lip kits. This is in the color Pumpkin. I'm going to go in first with I'm going to go in first with the lip liner, and then I will go in with the lipstick. Well, my lip liner ran out, and I don't have my sharpener right now, so I'm just going to go in with the lipstick. So this is kind of weird, but I've only had this lip kit, I think, for a couple of months now. I don't know if it's because it's getting old or like what, but it's getting like hard. Like it's not very liquidy. It's more like, I don't even know, but when I was putting it on, it was like kind of hard to spread. It was like hardening really fast. I don't know why, but it was really weird. So I don't know if that happens to you guys too, but like kind of put me off, but whatever. Anyway, so this is the final look. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of celebrity inspired looks recently, so I kind of wanted to break it up and do something that like not I created, but like I don't know, like I thought of myself instead of like recreating somebody's look that they've already done. So I mean, I'm sure people have done this before, but like, you know what I mean. Yeah. So I will get back to the celebrity inspired looks. If there's a specific celebrity you guys want to see, let me know, because I'm kind of running out of celebrities, even though I've literally only done 3. Actually, there's a lot of celebrities I could do, but anyway. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!